In this video, I am gonna tell you how to make a perfect logo without installing any software. So let's begin. In this video, we will be using Pixlr.com, which is one of the amazing platform out there. Click on the advanced Pixlr. Now click on Create New. Give your project a name. We will go with 800 by 800 pixels. And we are gonna turn the background off. We want a font for the text in our logo. So go to this website, the link is given in the description. There are many fonts available here. You can choose any of them. I would prefer to go with modern styles. In my opinion, this would be perfect. Now download the zip file. After downloading, extract the zip file using WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, then download it. The link is given in the description. Open the extracted file and install the font. Now select Text tool and click on the middle. Add the installed font using the Add Local Font option. Type the text you want as your logo and resize it accordingly. Make sure it is placed in the middle. In order to make it look more creative, we will overlay texture. Go to Chrome and search for texture. In this case, I will go for a blue one. After finding a suitable one, download it. Now insert the image using the plus button. Place the texture right above the text and slightly tilt it. Click on the magic wand tool after selecting the text layer. Now click on the middle of the texture and then right-click on it and select the invert selection. Select the texture layer and press delete from the keyboard. In order to add the background, go to Chrome and search for it. In this case, I would go for a galaxy. After finding a suitable one, download it. Now insert the background using the plus button and drag it to the last. Go to the Adjustments tab and click on Hue and Saturation. Now adjust it accordingly. Now select the text layer and go to the Filters tab. Click on the drop shadow and make few adjustments. Again, go to the Filters tab, click on the Outline option, and then customize it accordingly. I suggest adding some sort of blur around the border to make it more catchy. Add a new layer using plus button. Now select this tool and apply it around the sides. Make sure the color is black. Go to the Filters tab, click on the Details and then Blur. Adjust the blur accordingly. Now go to File tab, click on the Save option and download it. If you find this information helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you want more informative videos like this, subscribe our channel. Have a great day.